when you take a train, bus in Taipei, it's easy to use this called Easy Card. You can buy in train station or 7-Eleven. We are heading to Shifen waterfalls. First step, take the brown subway to Muza station. Here, Muza station. Then take bus 795 to Shifen waterfalls. Train stop. We're going to get on. This is bus 795. We're taking this to Shifen waterfalls. Basically, get out from Muza train station, then walk towards a temple. Actually, the bus stop for 795 is behind the temple. Actually cross the street. This is the final stop of this bus. It took about an hour from Taipei to here. Cost only 50 US cents. Here's a visitor center from the bus stop. Right over there to here takes about 20 seconds. And the Shifen waterfalls just go along this road. This is a bridge leads to waterfalls. Another very beautiful water bridge leads to waterfalls. This is the waterfalls. Let's have a closer look of the waterfalls. There are some fruits on the tree. Probably it's papaya. If it's a sunny day, probably that's a nice place to sit, to have a glass of beer or a cup of coffee. It's like a combination of really sweet pear and a little bit apple plus a little bit of honey. Yeah. This is called FunAmericanLife. Here also has some other kind of fruits. Here's quite famous people kind of put the balloon, red balloon I think probably, and you can write some words or pray. And here she's writing in Chinese. Some people over there they wrote in English. You can pick different balloons This one, okay, if it's a single color, it's about $3. If it's four kinds of colors, it's a little bit over $1. So here she picked four kinds of colors. Hey, I'm surprised you write it really good. Huh? Seems quite a famous activity here. A lot of people doing this. Although it's a little bit rainy. Is this all?
No, this side too.
Oh, you want to? Okay. Okay, let's see. Things in this side. Okay, she's going to write on another side. Let's see. Wow, she has a lot of things. Are you writing the same thing or what?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So 30, huh?
So this is a railroad track. I guess inside probably they will put some kind of fire. How are they going to do that? I have no idea. Okay, anyway, we will figure it out. Here she praised me to publish paper in either nature or science and something for herself too. Here she wrote for her colleagues. Hope they are happy and some prayers. This.
3来放手。